On August 14, 2018, an ordinary morning became one of the deadliest bridge failures in modern Europe. Without warning, one of Italy's most iconic bridges suddenly collapsed. Its design was considered revolutionary. Instead of exposed steel cables, the bridge used pre-stressed steel tendons, permanently sealed inside reinforced concrete to protect them from the environment. The greatest danger was invisible. Moisture and chlorides slowly penetrated the concrete, allowing corrosion to attack the hidden steel tendons. As for years, inspectors documented cracking, water infiltration, deteriorating concrete. Repairs were performed, but the hidden condition of the internal steel remained extremely difficult to evaluate. When the remaining capacity could no longer supply loads, failure progressed almost instantly. Investigations concluded that no single defect caused the disaster, and the difficulty of inspecting concealed tendons combined into a catastrophic structural failure.
Modern bridges are designed to reveal hidden deterioration. Structures rarely fail without warning, provided we know where and how to look.